Let it be known, I hate drum brakes with an ugly passion. The kind of foul language that I have expressed over the last 2 hours, the damage that I have done to my yard, the possible damage that rages through my body and wants to happen to everything within, well, not just reach, to the reach of anything I can throw. I hate drum brakes. And the main reason is all these springs and all these little bits and pieces. But right now, what's got me absolutely raging is this little spring right here. And this little cap right here. That I have been trying for 2 hours to get this lined up. And I have given up. I have decided on doing something very redneck. I have gone to my local big box store and I have picked up some washers and some 3-inch long screws, machine screws with nuts. And I'm not that redneck. I did pick up some Loctite, but I'm done. I am done. I am so glad to quit making these things. So help me God. I cannot imagine the tortures that the engineer who designed that little setup must be going through in hell. Because there is no way that guy went to heaven. None.